What's stable, everybody? So some updates on Terra. Now for me, I already start to move forward, but I think it's interesting to know what's happening to Terra and if there are any compensation coming. So Do Kwon came out with a new plan for Terra. The key thing is that there will be a hard fork, and the Luna that we have now will be called Luna Classic. The new Terra will be called Luna, and it will be without a stablecoin. Now, the new Luna will also be airdropped to the Luna Classic holders, stickers, and even UST holders. But most importantly are the app developers. Because if there are no app developers that are being saved, then on the new chain and no developer built on it, then the new chain is also worthless. So how is the new airdrop going to be like? So for example, 25% of the new Luna tokens are allocated to UST holders at launch. They also give you the details of the time and date, 27 May at around 4 a.m. But all these are being vested. So for example, again, the UST holders, you only get 10% at unlock. The rest are vested for 2 years. Now, another thing to know is that for Luna Guard Foundation, remember they have a lot of BTC, then they were selling their BTC to support UST. Right now, they came out and showed their reserve that is being left. So this is the total asset that is being left. It is around 300 million. And they mentioned that this remaining asset will be using it to compensate remaining user of UST, starting with the smallest holders first. So what are my thoughts? So for the hard fork, is actually just another chain, just without the stablecoin. And this is the downside, because if there are no developers building on it, it will be quite hard. Then also the trust. Do you actually trust Do Kwon and his team again? And another question is, how many developers will actually stay? Because if you see the news like Polygon, Juno, Phantom, they are all trying to lure the Terra project's developers. I think when it comes to trust, there are also talks about how the LFG handle their BTC. Their BTC actually could go back and compensate UST holders rather than just selling and try to support UST on the whole market. Then that could also provide an opportunity for whales to exit. The only thing that is left strong and interesting with Terra is their UI UX. I mean, when you are using MetaMask, then compared to using Terra Wallet, the experience is so much better. If any chain can bring that experience over, then it will be a big win for that chain. I hope you learned something today, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.